gosh, guys, what's going on? This is very, very weird. Today's the first day of spring, and take a look at what I have to show you. Holy crap, it's winter time. It's a winter wonderland out here. I mean, the snow is like super thick. Yeah, my car's like covered in an inch deep of snow. You're the cameraman now. Guys, we're on our way to eat Mexican food in the middle of a blizzard.
But oh my gosh, why you gotta do that?
I barely pushed on it. I think it's because it's too cold. My brakes are locking up.
Calm down, calm down, calm down. Oh my, can you even see right now? Can you even see?
Barely see in front of you. This is crazy.
I mean, you didn't warm it up, so yeah.
Wait, I forgot to even check if my car had my wallet.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
my gosh. I was gonna say, I'm not about to pay. You should slow down and watch out for that building right there.
What? Malarkey what?
Get me out of here.
Malarkey? What's malarkey? Is that like a type of food? What? Oh my god, guys. Look at my car. I was literally just driving it. Oh.
Woo! Google never lies.
Google lied to me when she said she loved me.
That's your fault.
Oh guys, it is day 2 of our little blizzard. Oh. My back floorboard's pretty wet. It's inside. So guys, yesterday we had a big snowstorm in Indiana and everything is just covered in snow. Look at this. It's just all covered in snow. You know, as a kid I used to love snow, but I'm not a snow person anymore. Yeah, it's beautiful and to take pictures, but I just don't like it. This is what you get for living in Salem, Indiana. Waiting in Taco Bell line is like waiting for an eternity. Let me show you guys what I mean. Cue the time lapse. Guys, I'm sorry if this video seems like it's a little bit overwhelmed with time lapses. It's just, like I said, I don't like the snow personally, but it makes really beautiful cinematography, photography, and time lapses. So guys, this is a nice mountain in Walmart.
One day talk, one late fine midnight. 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 One day talk, one late fine midnight.
Spring was drunk. Oh. Well, this is my new writing desk. If y'all didn't know why I put another desk in my room, why I cleaned off my desk and made it usable and also really cool. I mean, who wouldn't want a desk like this? And look at my camera, that's such a good shot. I love it. That is how deep the snow is right now. And I'm sorry it's dark. Gosh, walking on this is like walking on ice. I'm sorry if this vlog is boring, and I'm sorry that it's short because I just went through all my footage. I don't have much for it. It takes place in 2 days and I have like 5 minutes of footage. Maybe more. I haven't started editing it yet. Can I get 3 sausage biscuits?
Alright, 3 sausage biscuits, 3 plain cheeseburgers, and a large Coke?
Yes, ma'am. By the way, I just asked for 3 plain cheeseburgers, or 3 sausage biscuits. Whatever I said, I didn't say anything else. That's my grandpa's. I get that from every night. I don't even have to say anything else but 3 sausage biscuits or 3 plain cheeseburgers. And they know, like. Now, in my last video, and I showed it in this video a little bit, I have a new desk. Which I've always had that desk in my room, but I've never used it. But I decided to clean the desk off and make it look fancy and cool because, well, we didn't go that far. I cleaned the desk off and made it look nice with the lights and everything because that's going to be my writing desk. Now, I think it's important to make good videos is to have a good story. If you don't have a good story in a video, it's gonna get boring or it's gonna get stale unless it's a vlog. And in your vlogs, you gotta do something creative or interesting to make it look good, which is why I'm trying to do some cinematography in my vlogs. Somehow Peter McKinnon made it to the top, so why can't I? So I'm going to utilize that desk to write stories and to write ideas and to script out different things because I personally love good storytelling. When I watch a movie and the story is just beautiful, I fall in love with it. It doesn't matter if the video quality is bad or if the camera shots weren't good. I look at the story. So as a filmmaker, as a creator of content, I think it's important to fully write out stories, but also write out the camera shots I'm gonna need for it and things like that. And I really hope that will improve the quality of my videos, not for the people who's watching, but for myself as a filmmaker. I want to improve the quality and make it something unique and that's coming out of my head, my idea. I'll pick this up when I get home. And by pick this up, I mean literally pick up my camera, get it? Hashtag pun not intended.
When do they talk? When they find midnight? 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 When do they talk? When they find midnight?
Alright guys, that's all for this video. I'm sorry it's boring and you hate the video. Remember to hit that dislike button if you don't like it, or hit that like button if you do like it. But guys, you have to choose one, by the way. But guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the little presentation of why I have this desk. So yeah, hoping for good stories to come this year. And a goodbye.